猜猜我们现在要去干嘛？现在是晚上7点，然后我们穿着这个摩洛哥的传统服饰，要去找我们的导游司机阿明，然后他要教我们制作摩洛哥传统美食Tagine。Oh my god！ 我这个不会做饭的人。OK， 我们一会儿看看效果怎么样，学生能不能毕业 ？Let's go！ 阿明在给我们买 bread， 饼子买到了，哈哈 ，bread， 耶！我们下车来买需要的蔬菜。这菜店这么晚还开着门。辣椒 ，potato， 红薯。我想要包菜。然后要 zucchini。居然来到摩洛哥学习做饭，古老的算法。喵喵，买了好多菜，看，一大袋子，哈哈。يلا。做饭时间。哇，到家里面做饭哦，家具都是黄黄的，不错不错。All day too。我们要用 Tagine olive oil。
Olive oil.
Was that sweet potato?
Sweet potato, yes. You're right.
That's very small.
It's very organic.
I always choose the small one.
If I'm doing this, I'll cut my finger already. 我这个是绝对做不了的，我是需要 peeler 的。你看安雅多厉害，直接上刀，哇哦！说是我的 cooking class， 结果我在这边 drinking and watching them doing things. It is my class.
It's getting smaller and smaller.
I like to help. 我是愿意帮忙的，不过感觉好像没有我可以发挥的空间。No space for me.
We wash.
It's the salt.
Yes, by the salt.
Lots of salt.
他在用盐在洗鸡，很多很多盐在洗鸡。看这娴熟的技巧，就是经常做饭的人才是这样的。You don't eat the skin, do you?
Skin this? No, the skin no. Some of us they it depends of the way you want to cook the chickens. So see, it depends of the way.
See. 哇，放好多盐，咸鸡。careful. Oh, I like this. This is fun, like cooking together. It's fun for me because I'm not doing anything.
What?
Oh my god!
You know, Australians don't eat cucumber in a single woman's house. And banana.
And banana. What a joke!
What a show!
Oh my god!
We start show!
大家就念了 The shot of whiskey.
Yeah, we need it for sure.
就是观众朋友们能听懂的，你们就听懂算了；听不懂就是不啦不啦不啦不啦不啦。OK。
First floor.
直接切到这个锅里了就怪呀。那我觉得这技巧我做不到啊。I don't think I can do that. Like cutting on the hand and putting in there. I'm gonna cut my hand.
Yeah, because it's a technique. That's all.
Yes. Yay.
Yes, it's perfect.
Oh,
Coriander.
Ooh. 然后放橄榄油。
哇，
哇哦，哎，不少了放。
高端的食材往往只需要采用最朴素的烹饪方式。
Chicken.
Chicken. This is a class. It's like the teacher showing you what to do. Oh, careful, careful. That looks dangerous.
So don't come in June, July, or August because it's very cold.
Ginger powder, black pepper. What's this? Ginger, black pepper, cumin, and turmeric.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. 我买了这个，所以等我的这个 pot 到家了之后，我会邀请朋友来，让安妮亚过来指导我做饭呐！我天哪！ Oh my god.
And you can put carrot and stuff like this.
Yeah, anything you
Any
need. Yeah.
like, yeah, any vegetable.
Any vegetable you see that it's going with, you can put it. Salt.
And salt. Oh yeah. Oh, looks yummy already. Wow.
You like it like that?
Yeah. Love it. 点火，哎呀，准备开始做。How long is gonna take?
1 hour.
1 hour， 1个小时。这里面在咕嘟咕嘟咕嘟咕嘟咕嘟咕嘟咕嘟咕嘟咕。耶 ！I can't wait。要做1个小时，所以我们要等一下。喝酒 ，Something I can do。哎，哦，yalla。
Yalla.
嗯。
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Can you say it again? The water of life?
Mahia.
Again.
Mahia.
Mahia.
Yes.
Mahia. Ah, water of life. Mahia.
Palinka.
Balinga. Balinga.
Hungarian, palinka.
Water of life. 生命之水呀，来 cheers 啊 ！Smell good。外面那层胶皮给它弄掉。Noise。
Nice.
Noise. Sarah baby, noise. 我们现在在做 tomato salad? No,
The tomato salad.
tomato
yeah.
salad. OK. 放了一些 cumin， 孜然，放点橄榄油。Nice. Not too much. 尝一下。
واللي ما مساليش واللي ما مساليش.
哎呀 ，My God！ 哦，这就很棒。哇，Nice, thank you. Yeah. Beautiful. Perfect.
I don't know if these leaves are cooked or not.
I think the leaves cooked.
This
Should be.
should be cooked.
Should be cooked. Ah! Oh yes. Ooh. Yum. Saha! Yoo! So good. I like it. 因为我也做了，怎么说我也做了一些准备工作，对吧？还有陪伴，还有爱，所以这个巨好吃。还有我最喜欢的叶子菜，太棒了。Nice meeting you. Bye bye.